Today we got a cab high fiberglass Century Royal. It's a 9906 Chevy GMC trucks with the 6.5 foot bed. So it's got some scratches on it. It is the top of the line Century unit, but it's a little bit older, and like I said, it has some scratches on it. You can see some scuff marks right in here. It's not really bad there, but right there you've got some good scratch scuff marks on there. More right there. Does have a little bit of clear coat peel on the top. Right there you can see it's just started. It's not really bad yet. This is a pewter color or silver birch. Does have a little bit of a clear coat spot there again. A couple nicks there on the top right there, and then we got some scratches down on the front edge. Honestly, it looks like something was stacked on top of it, or it was strapped down on top of it. Not really sure. Bottom edge looks pretty decent because it already has the shipping rails on here to protect the edge, but not seeing any. It may have a little bit of chips on the edge. Oh, there's a couple right there. A couple small chips on the edge. Does have the frameless tip out windows on the side. Front is a picture window. Couple chips, scratches on the top, or front edge, I mean. Actually, the top looks pretty good, but a couple more scratches right here, a couple down the side. Front one, or one there on the front. So it has a picture window in the front. This side, clear coat's a little bit more. You can see the clear coat peel on this side a little worse than you can the other side. It's a lot of it right in through there. Yes, that's just dirt. This one has a shipping rail put on it already too, but looks like the bottom edge looks pretty good on this side as well. Try to keep this covered up, protect the edges so when they get moved around they don't get scratched. Chip right there in the paint, scratch in the paint I mean, and got a little scuff mark right there. This side has the frameless tip out side window as well. Double T-handle frameless locking rear door. Looks like the screen's coming out a little bit right there. It's come loose. Here's the serial number. Has a couple holes in the screens you can see there. Right in there. Front window, picture window. It's actually a tilt-in window. It's a tilt-in window. So this has a latch here on both sides that you can release this latch, slide that open, and then it's a little tight to do with one hand, but you slide that open, and you can tilt this window in so that you can clean the front of the window and the back of the cab window. Hard place to get reach a hold of, so they make a window tilt in for that reason. Screen on this side, small hole right here. I'll put my finger in it, so I don't know how small that is. Size is relative. There is a chip right there. So we got a cab high fiberglass Century Royal. Fits the 9906 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Cab high and pewter in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, make arrangements to pick it up, purchase it online. That can all be made or done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, deck units, ladder racks, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.